Welcome back to our series called Elaina's Experiments. On Mondays, we love bringing in local STEM educators and enthusiasts to share ideas for experiments and demonstrations you can do at home using things you probably already have laying around the house. This is so great for little ones, even though they're back in school. Keep the learning going. Joining us today, we have Delia Navarro with Sylvan Learning of Bakersfield. Thank you for stopping by.
As always, thanks for having me.
So the kids are launching into their new school year. They're learning. They all seem really happy, which I love.
I love it.
And so we keep that learning going at home.
And aside from their science class, we want to make sure that you remember that science is everywhere.
Yes.
And it can be a great, fun weekend project or even after school if they just need a mental break.
Yes.
And have fun with science.
And play. Yes.
And
so
this one is a great reminder because, as you said, it can be very, very simple. Water bottle or a soda bottle, some straws, and water with a cap. Really, that's it. It's very simple.
Any size bottle?
Any size bottle. So first thing you're going to want to do is have your adult cut a hole on the bottom, near the bottom. And then you're going to basically, a little pin will work really well to start that hole if you don't have any other tools. Put the hole through about halfway, and so you're creating your own little mini faucet. That's what we're doing today.
Cool.
We're going to look at air pressure, the invisible science. You'll fill it up with water. You can hold your finger on it, build the suspense as well, and then close it. And this is where the part that I encourage is don't give the answers. Make predictions. Ask your children, take a minute and say, what do you think will happen when I let go?
Yeah.
And then we can kind of test that over here. We have a larger scale with the soda bottle, but we're going to look at, okay, let's try when you let go. There's a hole in there. This one I used hot glue gun to seal it. That's a really important part, and keep it closed. But what happens?
It's sealed all the way around the straw, and I can see water going into the straw, but why isn't it coming out even though the gravity should push it down?
It should, but remember there's air in here, and the moment the first drops come out, that water, that space is no longer being filled with air, so there's air pressure. And so gravity can't really do its job until you open the cap.
Yes.
So when you do that, you can start to see, as I do that, it runs
immediately
like a
starts
faucet.
to pour.
And even if you place it up, it's still going to flow because, again, the pressure is balancing, atmospheric pressure. And so as you close that, you'll see that it'll continue. And you can add coloring as well. Another fun little one, if you don't have a larger bottle, is just have some tacks. And you'll see it's dripping a little bit, right? So you have the tacks going in there. And you're talking to your kids, again, making predictions. What do you think is going to happen when we take those out? And again, same thing. Let's pull the hole out. You see a little bit coming out initially?
Yeah.
But not too much, right? They're wondering, where did the holes go? I saw. Why did it stop?
Let go. Why did it stop?
And then when you grab it, you'll notice the pressure is there, or you can open it where they'll flow. And
then it's your faucet again.
Your faucet again. And so again, making predictions, putting that science hat on, making sure they have fun. And it's a great way to think about school as well. Asking how do things work and just encouraging that curiosity is really important.
And I love this because this is so easy for you to look up online. You don't have to know all the answers yourself. What is air pressure? Why is this happening? You can look this up and then also say, what does air pressure have to do with an airplane cabin? What does air pressure have to do with weather? And talk about clouds. I mean, there's so many different things that you're learning with the kids and teaching them to search responsibly.
And you think about it, when has it been hot in the car and suddenly it sucks in and you can kind of start thinking about, okay, that makes sense. What's happening is basically they're trying to equalize. You get the movement of the water when the pressure is unequal. So inside the air pressure is different than the outside because I got that invisible force. So again, have fun with it, explain it, get them thinking about it, putting on their science hats, taking notes, making observations, testing different things.
I love it. Genius. Keeping the science going, like she said, it's fun. And then I had one last note for you because you have mentioned several times that Sylvan Nation has printouts, worksheets. My kids don't have homework at school, and I'm a big proponent of homework, so I always have those sheets handy. And when the kids are like, I'm bored, or when we're just waiting at the doctor's office, I'm like, look what I have.
And you make it, and we make it fun. We make it fun. We make it
look forward to it.
We make it fun. So sylvannation.com, worksheets in language arts, in reading and math. We have great ideas for experiments, and we have those parent-teacher conferences coming up, and you're wondering, what can I ask? Tips and articles as well. We're here to help.
So great, making it easy for you as a parent and for your kids. Thank you, Delia, for stopping by. All free. I use it all the time myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you.